Yeah, I know. You can do all these amazing things, and sometimes you think that you will just go bust unless you can tell people about it, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
I mean, every time I get the football, I can make a touchdown.
That's for sure.
Every time.
Yeah.
I mean, is it showing off and somebody's doing the things he's capable of doing? Is
No.
a bird showing off when it flies?
No. No, now you listen to me. When you first came to us, we thought that people would come and take you away because when they found out, you know, the things you could do, and that worried us a lot. But then a man gets older and he thinks very differently and things get very clear. And there's one thing I do know, son, and that is you are here for a reason. I don't know whose reason, whatever the reason is, you know. Maybe it's because, I don't know. It's, but I do know one thing. It's not to score touchdowns. Huh?
Yeah. Thanks, Dad.
I'll race you to it. Yeah.
You will.
Come on. Come on, Pop. Ren, come on. Come on. Move, move. Yeah, go, go, go. Come on, Ren. Hey, Baron. Come on, Baron. Good boy.
Oh, no.
Jonathan!
All those things I can do. All those powers. And I couldn't even save him.